Before you make the decision to buy Shopify, there are a few things you need to know. Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms, but is it the right fit for you? Stick around until the end of this video, because I'm going to share 7 crucial points that could save you time and money when choosing Shopify over its competitors. First off, let's talk about ease of use. Shopify's user interface is one of its biggest advantages. When compared to platforms like WooCommerce or BigCommerce, Shopify is significantly more beginner-friendly. You don't need to be a coding expert to get your store up and running. Setting up your shop is simple with drag-and-drop features, and everything is organized so you can launch in a matter of hours, not weeks. But that doesn't mean it's a one-size-fits-all solution. Next thing, Shopify's pricing structure. While it's simple, it can be a bit confusing at first. You'll need to choose between multiple plans, and depending on the features you need, it can get expensive. While the basic plan starts at $39 per month, the higher tier plans offer more advanced features like better reporting and lower transaction fees. Compared to alternatives like Squarespace or Wix, Shopify can be pricier, but the value it offers in terms of scalability and support is worth considering. The third thing to keep in mind is Shopify's transaction fees. Shopify does charge fees unless you use their payment processor, Shopify Payments. If you decide to use a third-party processor, you'll face additional fees that can cut into your profits. Compare this to WooCommerce, which doesn't charge transaction fees at all, but it does come with other complexities like hosting and maintenance that Shopify handles for you. The fourth thing to consider is the app marketplace. Shopify has a massive library of apps, more than 6,000, that can add just about any feature you can imagine. Whether it's advanced email marketing, inventory management, or accounting tools, you can find what you need. But here's the catch. Many of these apps are paid, and while some are necessary to enhance your store's functionality, they can quickly add up. So, while Shopify's app marketplace is one of its strengths, the cost of adding apps to your store is something to keep in mind. Now let's talk about customer support. Shopify excels in this area with 24/7 customer support via live chat, email, and phone. This is a big win compared to WooCommerce, which often requires third-party plugins for support, and BigCommerce, which offers decent support but can leave you waiting longer during peak hours. If you're looking for a platform that's reliable when things go wrong, Shopify's customer service is top tier. Another point worth mentioning is Shopify's scalability. Whether you're just starting out or running a large business, Shopify grows with you. Unlike some competitors, Shopify offers robust features for large-scale operations, including advanced shipping options, international sales, and a multi-currency setup. So if you're thinking long-term, Shopify provides a clear path to growth without needing to switch platforms down the line. Lastly, let's look at SEO capabilities. Shopify is fairly strong in SEO, especially for beginner users. It automatically handles many aspects, like clean URL structures and fast-loading pages. However, when compared to platforms like WordPress, Shopify is slightly less flexible in terms of deep SEO customization. But if you're looking for an easy way to get your store ranked without needing extensive SEO knowledge, Shopify does a solid job. To recap, Shopify is an easy-to-use, scalable platform that offers strong customer support and a huge range of apps. But its pricing, transaction fees, and app costs may add up quickly, so make sure you weigh these factors before committing. If you want to try out Shopify and get the best deal, make sure to click the first link in the description below. You'll get an exclusive trial and some extra perks to help you get started on the right foot.